1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And we're going to open some
Pokemon.
Wait lang. The big reveal.
The big reveal.
A Pokemon Mega Brave Japanese set.
Kaboom.
Hindi kaya nakita.
And look, we're in the beach.
Ay, yun lang. Napigil. Tigil ba? Tigil ba?
Tsaka.
Hindi, okay lang. Yan. So, yan. Mega Brave Pokemon Japanese set. And we are in
The beach.
Hindi ka nakita, Andre.
After this, I think I'm gonna swim.
Okay, we're going to open 4. 4 muna o 8 na kagad? Tag-apatan na tayo kagad.
How much boxes inside?
24.
4.
Siyempre, kailangan natin ng ating mga sleeves. And we got
if we do
our
4
binder.
If we do 4 each, they will become 6.
No, 8.
Or 8.
6.
4 or 8.
So 8, 16, 24. 3 times natin magbubukas.
4 na lang.
Okay, apatan lang. Okay.
Or 6,
Oh,
please.
you'll do the honor to open the pack.
Because it's my birthday.
Yes. We're here in Kamaya Cove.
And you open the plastic.
Nasa backpack ko yung... Kunin mo nga yung... Hindi na. Nasa backpack yung kutsilyo ko eh. Wait lang.
You mean pocket knife?
No. Not pocket knife.
Oh,
yeah, pocket knife. Yeah. Hirap pala nito. Sealed na sealed pala to. Teka lang, hindi ko matanggal. Yun. Pero syempre hindi natin tatapon yung plastic dito kasi that's bad, so kailangan natin ilagay sa ating plastic bag.
For a review.
So pakita mo ulit yung beach. Look at the beach. Many beaches in the beach.
We might get illustration of the crab.
Gusto ko yung gold eh. So carrier na gold pati. Yeah, I think ganito. No other way, no? Hindi kailangan kasi ito pull the tab, oh. And
Satisfying.
pakita natin ano nangyari. Hi, Aubrey. Wow, wag mo lagay mo lang doon para hindi madumihan na. So get 4, I'll get 4. Thank you.
This is just new, so we get so many.
Bakit random? Random talaga? Oh, bakit? Dalawa lang?
I'll go for you.
4.
You pick
4.
one.
Okay. I'll get... magkasunod. Ikaw. Get another 2.
Why?
4 nga eh. 4 sa akin. Ako naman. So, I got 4 packs and Andy got
4 packs.
Okay, tingnan natin ano nangyari. Tingnan, hindi ko na. Lock mo na. Sarado na natin. Wait lang. I-lock natin kasi mabubukas tayo at mamaya. Alright. First pack ni Andre.
If we get something
Mega Brave
Pokemon. If
Pokemon.
we get something super big, I will go to the big slide again.
Sige, go.
Yeah,
Alam mo makuha mo yung golden na Mega Rocario.
There's no way to open it. There's no like.
Meron yan.
Where?
Naku, kailangan. Ito, gantuin mo na lang. Sirain mo na lang. Yan, sige. Tulad na ginagawa. Oh, dito ko ka dyan. Gusto mo tayo malapit. Yun. Oh, wag mo tapon. Basura natin yun.
Shoot the card trick.
Walang card trick yata dyan.
So we got Bulbasaur. Hey, Shine Chop. Shine
Okay.
Chop.
Huwag ka masyadong nagdaan.
Pat that guy. He's chubby.
Sige lang.
Bird.
Bird. And, ano?
Hey!
Alright.
I think we already... It looks
No,
like
wala
we...
pa tayong ganyan.
Oh, we got the English version.
First hit of the day.
We got the English
Ako
version
naman, ako
of
naman.
that. We got
Ito
the
meron,
English.
no? May pull tab, oh. Yun, oh, nakita mo.
Where?
Basura, ah. Alright. My turn. My first pack.
We got the English version.
Ano ganyan yan? English?
Yeah.
Okay, my first pack. Lagyan natin sa ating basurahan. Siyempre. So,
Chung Ching.
yan.
Not.
So,
Kanjri.
and...
Hey!
Hey, illustration rare! And... wala. Well, what can I say?
No, only gold pack will go there. Only a gold pack. Only a gold pack will
Yeah.
make
Our
me
first-
go to that slide
Our
again.
first illustration rare. Siyempre, double sleeve natin yan, mga boys.
I will only go to that big slide if we get a gold, not illustration.
Okay. Oo, huwag mo yun kasi kailangan natin tapan ng tama yan.
Bababa na kami. Hindi ako na nahilo sa baba.
Alright.
Egg.
Egg what? Go.
Plant egg.
Onyx.
Onyx.
Hindi ko makita. Ayan. Ano?
Fire bunny.
No, wala sa isip ko. And, wala.
Rock
meron.
statue.
Lima ba? Wala. Ninetales. Okay. Andre's second pack is a dud. Walang ano. Okay. My second pack.
I'm scared getting a gold pack.
Okay. My second pack.
Long nose. Frog fight.
And
Hollow. You got a hollow.
I got a hollow, yeah. It's a rare. A hollow rare.
My
Hollow
next Lucario
rare. Third pack.
Why they're all the same design?
Kasi dalawa to eh, si Mega Brave and si Mega Gardevoir ba. Okay. Marami pa tayo, isang box pa po itong bubuksan natin. So, for 8, may 16 pa tayong bubuksan na packs. Not to mention the Gundam 01 and GD01, GD02. Waiting for us at home to be open. 2 packs left for me and 1 pack for Ane. Again, nandito tayo sa Kamaya Cove. Diba? Sa mga ating mga supporters. Oh. Uy, basura. Careful ka sa basura. Kunin mo. Ana. Oh, pakita mo na. Camel, ano?
Fire camel. It's a should I call him a different one?
Bahala ka na dyan kung anong gusto mo.
Chubby.
Wala pa tayong doubles, no?
Pink hitter.
Yan.
Oh,
Lunaton and
Celebi.
Okay, sige. Bilis ah.
We got a hollow.
Sige, ba na. Third pack. Buto na lang pala, hindi natin binuksan lahat. Okay, my third pack. Ayun. Ayusin na nga natin ito kasi hirapan ko. Ay, aray ko sakit. No.
So excited to swim.
Oh no, ayaw. Me see.
If you see a gold thing on the side, that means you get gold card.
Alright. Third pack. Will there be an... illustration Jeff Bulbasaur. Oh yeah, and Lunaton tuloy. Woo! Hey, this is 1,500 kagad to, boy.
1,500.
1,500.
And how much was the card? That box?
1,000 plus lang. 1,800.
We literally almost got.
Bought it in Japan.
We literally almost got.
Yeah! I got two. I got two.
Looks like,
Andre, I got
looks like
one.
we're gonna get profit here.
Yeah. No, we're not going to sell. I'm
No,
not
we're gonna
planning
get
on selling.
profit in our collection.
Okay, yeah. Not profit. A good set of collection. Alright. Okay, last pack ni Andre.
Later na.
Oh, please like and share and subscribe na rin. No?
What is one card to beat all your illustration?
Wala. Siyempre yung kasunod, si Ivysaur and si Venusaur. Tapos yung gold card na Mega Lucario. Okay, let's see some magic.
Cow. Pink and black cow.
Milk tank yan, milk tank.
Milk tank. Hey! Ivysaur.
Yung umano. Tabi.
Hey, look! Chances! Ivysaur, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur. Bulbasaur, Ivysaur. Hey, look! It's the crab thing.
Si Mr. Krabs.
Oh!
Eh, oy, Mega Lucario. That's good.
Yeah.
Dapat yung yung alternate artwork niya. It's still a good card. Lumalakas na yung hangin. Kailan baka lumipad.
How did you get this?
Per standard sleeve. Alright.
That box
Eh,
is...
still out of 4, you got 2. Ako, last pack magic for this opening. Siyempre, kakain na tayo.
How did you got the Bulbasaur thing?
I don't know.
There's also that thing. There's also a...
Pero gusto ko gold card eh. Para magandang sa collection. Uy, ako ayaw.
Will it be 5 out of 8 or 4 out of 8?
Alright. Score bunny. Ano ba? Okay. Last one eh. Oh, wala.
But you got a double. You have that.
1, 2. Okay, that's it for today. Again, I'm Michael.
And
And we just opened some
I'm gonna rate it to first.
Mega Brave
third.
Pokemon Japanese set here in Kamayako.
This is first place.
Kamayako.
This is first place. Second place. Third place. Fourth place. In my head.
Alright, see you again soon. Dito ka. See you again soon sa next opening natin because we have 16 packs left plus the Gundam GD01, GD02. So again, I'm Michael and we just opened some Pokemon Mega Brave here at
Kamayako.
Alright, bye.